Building.
Welcome back to the motorcycle garage. So this part, of course, we've now taken the fuel pump right out. A little bit of residue of fuel there. Useful having a rag about. And we're looking at the pipes, looking at the splits in these old pipes. It's difficult, of course, to see splits necessarily. It looks like these two here go up to the top of the tank, undone those. One of them was quite loose at the top, and it seemed to be where the spray was coming from, I'm only guessing. Also, where is the end piece? Also, if we look closely to that, the actual jubilee clip was literally there. You see how it was literally, the duplicate was there. So I cannot believe that was holding it there anyway. So, and that was again roughly the direction where the fuel was spewing out, obviously dropping the pressure in the whole system, not enabling the injectors to obviously inject the fuel at the right time, because obviously it runs on a certain bar pressure and you've got to keep that pressure with the circulating system. So I think the best, rather than guessing, thinking, oh yeah, it's that one, I'll replace that one because of that, or I found actually the odd little right there's a little bit there as well. Looking for, there seems to be a little bit of a split there. Again, you think, well, is it that, isn't it, or is it that? Best thing to do is just replace these. Also, this one here, don't think it is. There's a little mark there. Don't think it is. It's so small you can't. I'm trying to guess whether it's a split in the pipe. I don't know. Again, that would have been the direction it was coming from in the tank. Don't think it's that, but it's the same pipe. Just replace that, and you've got to get special pipe because it's obviously sits in the fuel, so it's got to be a absolute top grade one that sits within the fuel and won't perish because it's sitting in fuel. So, and that's why it's always advisable to use E5 because it doesn't corrode the lines. Anyway, that's about it. The next stage is to get some pipe and replace all the bits of pipe. That's the best thing to do. Then literally put it back together, and if you've missed something, hopefully resolve it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll come back to you when we've got a resolve on it. Okay, thanks. See you. Bye.